Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in and sign out of Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of Indeed. Right now we simply want to sign in and sign out. Right here at the top on the navbar, at the rightmost section, you will find something like sign in. Simply click on it. Once you click on sign in, something like this will open up. Now you can sign in using either Google, Apple or your email address. Simply sign in by using the same method by which you created your account. I created an account using Google, so I'm gonna select this option that says continue with Google. I'm gonna select my respective Google account, and there you go. We have successfully signed in to Indeed. Let's look at how to log out as well. Right here on the navbar, at the rightmost section, you will find the profile-like icon. Simply click on it. Simply scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see something like sign out. Simply click on it. And guys, there you go. That's how you sign in and sign out of Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.